Keep fast food in your diet. Yeah, I said it. Come on. Now we know fast food isn't the healthiest option, but if you're a busy adult pretending like you're gonna meal prep forever, that's just not realistic. Here's 3 tips that can help you when it comes to fast food. Tip number 1, pack your breakfast. A simple protein shake and some fruit can help eliminate one drive-through stop before your day even starts. Tip number 2, keep a backup snack handy. Like hard-boiled eggs, beef jerky, or some mixed nuts can prevent you from making a fast food run. And tip number 3, if you do end up hitting a fast food spot, it don't always have to be a salad. But I do want you to prioritize your protein. I mean, even put some protein in the salad, chicken or steak. Or if you're going out, think about grilled chicken sandwiches. You can get burrito bowls. You can get grilled chicken nuggets. Yes, chicken nuggets. You can even do burgers, but don't put all the extra stuff on, all the extra sauces, fancy buns, and all that stuff. Just get it plain. The goal isn't to avoid fast food forever. Come on, that's not realistic, right? But it is learning how to use fast food without ruining your goals and your results. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you how to use fast food in this video. So let's talk about how to actually make fast food work without sabotaging your goals. The biggest mistake people make is thinking they only have 2 options. 1, meal prep every day, do everything perfect. Or 2, fall off the wagon completely. And that's simply not life's reality. You see, most busy adults have jobs, kids, they have work meetings, they traveling, unexpected schedule changes, and sometimes your day just gets away from you all of a sudden, and then you're like, I'm gonna just hit this drive through real quick. But that doesn't mean your diet is ruined just because you simply had some fast food. In fact, I'd rather see someone make a smart fast food choice than to skip meals all day, right? And then end up overeating later. Now, here's a perfect example of a backup protein snack that I personally use and I keep on hand for myself. C Squared Nutrition Quick Protein Bites. Each protein ball has 129 calories, 7 grams of protein. Now, is it a full meal? No, but when life gets busy, it's a whole lot better than grabbing some chips or some cookies, or even going to the drive-thru. So, it's about making better choices. Now let's get back to the video. So here's how I want you to shift your mindset when it comes to fast food, or feeling off track because you ate some fast food. The goal isn't to avoid fast food forever. Your goal is to build a diet that works for you in the real world. So let's take a look at a typical busy work day. And I'm talking about 9 to 5ers, right? Either in an office or at home or whatever the case may be, traveling. Maybe your day starts in the morning with a protein shake and some fruit that you packed at home. Okay, that's a win, right? Then around mid-morning, you might have a protein bar, some beef jerky or something in your bag, some nuts. Okay, boom, you want again. But then now it's lunchtime. You didn't have time to meal prep. Now your coworker's like, let's go over here. So instead of saying, nah, forget it, I'm gonna start over Monday. You hit a fast food restaurant and make a better choice, right? Because there are some good choices in fast food. So you can make good choices, such as like grilled chicken sandwich. You can maybe get a burrito bowl, tell them to add some extra protein in it, right? Or you can actually get a burger, right? Instead of getting the fries, swap it out for a side salad or some fruit, right? Make the better carb choice. You can even get some grilled nuggets and a baked potato instead of some French fries. Now those are just some choices. They're not perfect, but they're better choices. So there are many other better choices than to just going to lunch and making your lunch a 2,000 calorie free for all. Like, just start over on Monday. And that's where most people get stuck. They end up getting stuck because they think, oh, my meal prep wasn't perfect. I messed up. So I might as well just go ahead and get the fries, the milkshake, the apple pie, and everything else that sounds good and just start over on Monday. But see, fast food really is the problem. It's the choices of the fast food. You see, you got to get out of this all or nothing mindset, right? You got to be able to make adjustments, right? This is life. Nothing's going to be perfect. You got to remember this. Consistency beats perfection. Listen up. Consistency beats perfection. You see, a decent meal choice made consistently will outperform a perfect meal plan that you can't stick to any day. Now, Am I telling you to go out and eat fast food every day? No, absolutely not. Eating whole foods, yes, meal prepping, cooking at home, and eating nutrient dense foods should be the foundation of your diet. Yes, I am saying that, but we know life gets busy. But when life gets busy, having a game plan for fast food should keep you from derailing the whole progress. Because the people who succeed with long term diets or long term plans aren't the ones that never face challenges. It's the people who know how to pivot and navigate when they're faced with challenges. If you want to know some of my fast food joints that I go to when I'm out and I need to order some fast food and I haven't meal prep or I'm thinking on the fly, go ahead and drop it in the comments or drop in the comments some of your fast food joints I want to hear that you go to. Maybe it's something I haven't heard of. And I travel a lot. So when I'm on the fly, I want to know some of the spots that I could go to in these different cities.
As always, my content is sponsored by C Squared Nutrition, where quality nutrition meets your nutritional needs. Head over to the website www.ctips.com. Type in code TIPS by Tibbs for your discount.